In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on IC markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, after creating your account, you want to go to the Accounts tab over here and actually create an account, either a live or a demo one, on any of these platforms. So, to be able to trade Forex, you must either create your MT5, MT4, or CTrader account. I'm going to showcase this with MT5, but it's going to be similar with MT4 and CTrader. So, if you want to use MT5, I think it's very easy because you can just do it on the web. You don't have to actually download anything. Well, you can do it on the web with those two as well, but I just chose MT5 right now because most people actually know how to use MT5, I think. Now, here you can then go ahead, open a new demo account, and then whenever you open it, or of course a real account, you can then go ahead and click on downloads here on the left. And you can find MT5 or whatever you want, and here you want to click on the web trader and click on open web trader. This is going to open up their web version of MT5, and then you have to select either MT5 or MT4. I'm going to pick the demo account and press continue. And for the first time you do this, you'll have to connect your account, so it's going to look something like this. For the login, you have to enter in your account credentials up here. So if you go to the accounts tab under here, so this is your login, it goes in here, and then the password is this one down here. You have to show it and then paste it in here, press connect to account, and you're good to go. Now, to actually trade Forex, you want to first find the Forex you'd like to trade on here, so click on search symbol and then click Forex, and then you have the minors, majors, and exotics. I'm going to go with minors. And you can just find whatever you want to trade. So for example, I'm just going to go right now. Let's do Euro GBP. There we go. I'm going to click on this. And then it's going to pop up here on your chart. And then you can, of course, do some analysis, do whatever you want. And if that's the Forex you want to trade, you can click on New Order up top. Select the type of order you would like to do, select the volume you'd like to basically trade, and then the stop losses and take profits if you want to, as well as some comments you can put on your order, and then you can just go ahead and buy or sell by market, or of course any other order types over here. So that's how to trade Forex on IC markets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.